Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Partsatoz replacement speaker module and volume control button key flex cable repair part for the Nintendo 3DS XL and LL models from 2012 to 2014. If you own one of these consoles and have experienced issues with your speaker or volume controls, this product might be the solution you're looking for. The first thing to note is that this is a brand new replacement part, specifically designed for the 2012 to 2014 Nintendo 3DS XL and LL models. It is important to stress that this part is not compatible with the new 3DS XL or LL models released in 2015. So double-checking your console's model before purchasing is crucial. This part addresses a common problem for older 3DS systems: faulty volume control buttons and degraded speaker modules that can affect your gaming experience. Each unit is tested individually before it's packed and shipped, ensuring that you receive a fully functional product. The package includes the speaker module and the flex cable for the volume control buttons, allowing you to replace both components in one repair. This makes it a convenient all-in-one solution for console owners experiencing sound or control issues. Installation is recommended to be done under professional guidance. The flex cable and speaker module require delicate handling during the repair process, and improper installation could cause further damage. So, if you're not confident with DIY electronics repair, seeking professional help is the safest approach. However, for those comfortable with repairs, replacing this part can restore your console's audio quality and button responsiveness, effectively bringing your older 3DS back to life. Partsatoz also backs this product with a 180-day warranty, provided there is no man-made scratch or damage. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that if the part fails under normal usage, you have the option to return or exchange it. Overall, this replacement speaker module and volume control button key flex cable repair part is a practical solution for maintaining your Nintendo 3DS XL or LL from 2012 to 2014. It offers reliable performance, thorough testing before shipping, and comes with a decent warranty period. If you've been struggling with volume issues or poor audio quality on your older 3DS, this could be the perfect fix. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights on the latest tech and gaming accessories.